All right, guys, click results here, and today's discussion we are going to talk about Bitcoin, its movement, its long-term prediction, its short-term prediction for you to take advantage of 2025. Crypto is all about patience, and then you need to wait and wait for your target to be hit or for your prediction to actually materialize. Also, it depends on the type of trader you are. If you are an investor, you are a swing trader or position trader, or you are just a day trader, scalpers. With all that, we are going to discuss this. We are going to start with the total crypto market cap, which is sitting at 3.56 trillion. All right. So 2021, it was around 2.7 trillion before we have that crypto market crash back to 1.69 trillion. And you can see that is a liquidity right here. So I was expecting it to come and then form some kind of take liquidity out or a double bottom if you are a pattern trader before we move up. But because of the fundamentals, the US election, and Donald Trump being a big advocate for cryptos, that actually made it just started from here, this area, and then we saw a little retracement in the market, and it keeps going up to this point with no proper retracement. So you realize that we were in a bullish trend for a very long time throughout. So I think from 2022 to now. Now looking at this, you will realize that I've drawn all the points of interest of, let's say, areas of demand where we need to buy cryptos from. So this is the total market cap. Doesn't affect individual. This is just a general thing telling you about how the market works. So for me, I'm expecting it to come down a little. Maybe first buy should be around here or even drop to this zone before going up. You get it? So something like this before going up. And if it goes up, I'm expecting it to come down again to this zone here before we start seeing above the new high. Okay, the new all-time high. That is basically my prediction using the total crypto market cap. Do you get that? Also, with all this, how is this going to make a lot of sense to you as the crypto trader or investor? So with traders, I don't have much problem with you because you can take advantage of the short-term movements, but the investors, if you're not careful, you might end up not making a lot of profit because you might wait for too long. So as an investor, this is the time to take a lot of profit from the market and have cash. Having cash in the crypto market simply means that you are having USDT or any of the stable coin. Okay. So once you have the stable coin, you wait until the market comes to maybe 2.76 trillion or 2.27 trillion. Once that is done, you can start looking for investment opportunities. All right. Sometimes if it's coming down like that, there are other altcoins that will be misbehaving. But for you to be at the safer side, especially those who are interested in buying Bitcoin, wait for this zone. This zone is the perfect zone. Even you can decide to use like the Fibonacci to this area. You realize that this zone should be a perfect zone for you. This zone. Okay, so 2.2 trillion can even be a perfect zone to start investing if you use the Fibonacci retracement. That would be around 2.52 trillion crypto market cap. Do you get it? Now we are going to move straight to how do we call it? The Bitcoin chart itself. So this is the Bitcoin chart itself. This was the low it's created recently, that around 49K before it started going up. Now, when you see this, I was still expecting it to come down here, take the liquidity before going, but that doesn't happen. Just like what we saw on the normal crypto market cap chart. You get it? And then this was the high. Okay. of 2021, which was 73K, almost 74K. Now, when it broke the high here, normally when a new high is broken, we need to have a retest on it. So maybe something like this come here before we go up. But that doesn't happen. It just keeps going up without any proper retracement. So I am expecting it to come to this zone. That is like around 83K zone at least before we go up again. And even if that happens, I'm still expecting it to come down to touch the all-time high of 2021 before we go up. And better still, just like I have indicated on the total crypto market cap, this is what I am expecting. So when it comes here, this is where I think the long-term buyers can invest. So basically, we are going to invest around 70K, and that is it. So from here, we can double up the steps and then see if, let's see, if we'll be able to cross 120K and above. So let me just put this here. So that's 107, 108, another one. That should be around 160K. So 160K. So after the retracement, then we can talk about 160K area, basically. So that is Bitcoin for you. Let me go to 4-hour and show you certain things right on the 4-hour. So you can see this liquidity here resting here, right? So that is around 82K, 82K. You see, if you are on my Telegram channel, you realize I sent Bitcoin sell signal there. So let me see how it is doing. All right, so this is the sell I think. So that is 18%. I'm predicting. Do you get it? So 18%, and the rest is 5%. Went into the drawdown small, but I'm still expecting it to come down. I just don't know what it will do though, but that is the prediction. All right, so let's see. Let me go back to my charts here. So I'm expecting it to basically come to this zone first, and then right this place was formed by Donald Trump. Okay, here just went up and then no proper retracement, keeps going up. So I am expecting it to come back to this zone, especially this zone. If you come here, you can buy all Bitcoin any amount you want. That's it. So let's calculate the draw how far it can come down in terms of percentage. So basically, let's say 30% down, and 30% down, you can now buy Bitcoin. So once it is 30% down, that is automatically 50-60% upside if you buy from this area. I'm talking to investors, traders, day traders. You can do whatever I want to do, but this is where I am expecting a normal or a perfect buy from, even though my eyes are still on this liquidity that needs to be cleared one day. But then, well, let's see. I'll keep you updated. If we are able to come to this zone, I'll keep you updated. You can realize that you see this zone here. You see this wasn't a perfect buy. It was 4 by something, right? Because once we break a new high and it's close, we need to retrace more to this. That is the perfect market. That should be the perfect market, but this wasn't perfect. So it is telling you that this place, this zone especially, was 4 by something. Can you see the buy there? And then upside. So that is all. This is click results, and then that's my personal prediction. I can be wrong, I can be right, and I know I'm mostly right when it comes to Bitcoin prediction than being wrong. All right, so that is that.